Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekker Reviews, and in today's video I have the EBL LCD Universal Battery Charger, a device to help keep your rechargeable batteries fully charged, all for a great and affordable price. As always guys, if you like today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. In a world where pretty much every device now is either rechargeable or powered through the mains, we still have the odd legacy products at home that require a AA or AAA battery to be replaced every now and then. For me, it's my TV remotes, which I find myself swapping out every couple of months. Yes, I could purchase a pack of batteries and that would resolve my issue. However, in the long run, it's not really a viable option to be constantly doing this and waiting for a new pack of batteries to be purchased or arrive. Enter the EBL LCD battery charger set, an 8-slot battery charging device that can be used to juice your rechargeable batteries via USB Type-C or micro USB cable. The device can charge your AA, AAA, C and D batteries and has an LCD screen on top that indicates the charge level of your batteries. You can charge the same battery type simultaneously or charge each type at once. The 8 battery slots are also smart enough to identify dead or non-compatible batteries, which is highlighted on screen. As part of the battery charging set, you also have an optional add-on where batteries are also included. The EBL batteries can be charged around 1200 times, which isn't bad at all. Finally, the EBL battery charger contains advanced MCU controls to prevent overheating, overcurrent and short-circuiting from occurring. Inside the box, you get the EBL Universal Battery Charger, as well as one micro USB cable, and finally instructions on how to use the device. The setup process of this device is super simple. Insert your USB Type-C or micro USB cable into the battery charger, and then connect the second end of the USB cable into a power supply. You can connect the USB cable into a power adapter plug. However, please note, if you are going to use a power adapter, you will need one that is 2A compatible. Now for some testing. I will mainly be using this device to charge my AA and AAA batteries, as I don't have any products at home that use both C and D. When flat, 2 AA batteries would take around 2 to 3 hours to charge until full, whereas 2 AAA batteries would take anywhere between 1 to 2 hours to complete. Unfortunately, I can't comment on how long these batteries would last, as I've only had them for a couple of weeks now. Overall, the EBL LCD battery charger is a great device to purchase, especially if you have legacy devices at home that rely on batteries. The availability to charge a range of different battery types is also a plus, that is compatible with most brands out there in today's market. However, the absence of a power adapter plug is the only letdown in my opinion, but nevertheless, as a whole, the EBL LCD battery charger is a device that you should definitely look into. In terms of pricing, you can pick up the EBL LCD battery charger set from Amazon for around £25, and you can also find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Have you ever thought about buying a battery charger, or are you happy with just buying replacement batteries? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.